Okay, hello. Today we're going to learn about forms. Now, forms are one of our elements of art, and it is basically when you draw 3D shapes. We call those forms. Okay, so here's a bunch of examples of some 3D shapes, some forms. We're going to learn how to draw a cube, a cylinder, a cone, a rectangular prism, and a pyramid. So let's start off with one shape at a time. So we're going to start with the cube, okay? So I'm going to use a marker. I recommend you use a pencil. I'm just using the marker because it kind of shows up better on the camera. Okay, so first step, we're going to make a square. Okay, so the front this is the front of the cube. Okay, and now I'm going to make some diagonal lines on top. We call those parallel. When things go the same direction and never, they never intersect. They stay the same direction. We call that parallel. Okay. And now I'm going to draw some vertical lines up. And if you notice, I turn my page. Sometimes when I turn the paper, I have a little more control of the shape, okay? And then here's my cube, okay? So that cube looks solid, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to make one that looks 3D. So I'm going to start with my square. Okay, one square. I'm going to make a second square a little higher up here, kind of intersecting here, okay? And now I'm going to connect, again, my vertical lines to these corners, and there we go. And now our cube is done. Okay, next we're going to make a cylinder. Okay, so again, I'll show you the two ways to do it. We're going to start with an oval. An oval is basically a kind of a sideways, a tilted circle. Okay, and I'm going to put two vertical lines going down this way. Okay, now the bottom, I want to mimic this round shape. So the bottom is going to go mark this. All right, now it looks like, we have a can. Okay, and then again, if you want to see what it looks like see-through, you just make two ovals like this, and then you connect them. Okay, so now we have a see-through. Now it looks kind of like a glass, right? See-through. All right, next we'll make a cone. Okay, so the next shape, we'll start off. It looks like you're making a triangle, but then the bottom, instead of being straight, we're going to make it round. Okay, I'll show you again how to make it 3D. I'm sorry, we're already making 3D. I mean see-through. Okay, so I'm going to start with an oval, and then I'm going to draw corner to corner, and then there's my see-through cone. Turn upside down. There you go. You can add some ice cream, and you have an ice cream cone. There you go. Okay, next we'll make a pyramid. Okay, so pyramid's kind of fun to make. We're going to start with a triangle. Okay, now the side here, I'm going to make a vertical line. And now what I want to do, I'll make it just a little slightly longer. And now I want to connect that line to the point of the triangle. And then there is my pyramid. And to make it look even more 3D, I'm going to add some lines here. This will enhance that 3D quality. So I'm adding some horizontal lines, and now I'm going to add some vertical lines on the side, and there's my 3D pyramid, just like the ones in Egypt. They're called the Giza pyramids. Okay, and then the last one we'll make is the rectangle prism. So the rectangle prism is very similar to the cube. Okay, we're going to start with a rectangle. And again, I'm going to show the sides by making these vertical lines, and then I'm going to connect them. Okay, and you can see sometimes I have to extend them. Sometimes they don't quite match. That's okay. So we just kind of extend them a bit. Good. There we go. Good enough. All right, and now I'm going to make the see-through rectangular prism. So I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to make another one a little higher up. Similar length, okay? And now what we got to do is connect these lines, and voila, you have a rectangular pyramid, okay? So then, you can practice those. You can keep drawing those, and if you want to draw them a couple times to practice, and if you want to color them, okay, well, enjoy.